Hi friends, this is the second day of IGEN voluntour. We are starting the day from the 30 minutes meditation, and meditation place is located at the river. And we also enjoy the sunrise, also the breeze from the river. It was stunning. After meditation, the host prepared the organic breakfast for us again, full of nutrition, also yummy. After finish breakfast, we are going to one farm to do our morning project. On the way, there are lots of the tropic plants and also flowers. It was so special for me since I came to Thailand.
What's this?
Every day is most new day for me because I always look the new stuff,
fruit, right?
especially for the different plants and trees.
Okay. And done today.
In this place, it's like another community, and each of the house is different styles and also looks like art. And the owner of the house planted lots of the trees and flowers surrounded, which is also like a garden. I think people who can live in this environment must be so lucky and so enjoyable. And later we arrived at the farm. We will use these materials to build today's project, and starting from very original Thai tea. And this grandma, she is the owner of this farm, and she explained us this place and why they have these ideas using this waste from the nature and then to make some profit to support this place and also can protect the environment, because the coconut trees and also the other tree shears, after they mature and fall down to the river, and then they will cause the water pollution. So they collected these shears and also using the tree's fiber to weave the rope, and then to tighten the coconut shear, and then putting in the plant as a container. So this was really nice and also original decorations. That is why you can see from lots of the souvenirs shops in Thailand and they can sell their coconut shears decorations. I think I would like to buy it because it can be used for a while and also kind of symbol for protecting the environment, and also it's beautiful and creative. After we finished our coconut shear decorations, the owners took us around to show their small places. I would like to say it's a small forest. And she introduced us to each tree's function, also the water as well as the soil in this place.
From the height. I let you tell sarcasm.
It's the ecosystem. The way to come back is through a very narrow road. And after come out and the temple shows again, It's true because Thailand has a lot of temples. The lunch we were eating in a floating market. And also Thailand has a lot of markets. This is also the symbol of the Thailand, and tourists like it. And it's called 烟火气 in Chinese, which means the local people's life and simple life. Because through this environment, you can into these countries' traditional living styles or things like that. I would like to say most of the markets in Thailand are similar like this, but maybe little different that based on the different district, because even though Thailand is not too big, but they do have the different lifestyle in different districts, so which means they also have their different flavors for food. Say temples again. And I also look a lot of the fruit. And also look at lychee. This is first time look lychee in Thailand, and this fruit under trees, and which I saw it on the market. And afternoon we visited one temple. This temple, they collected the plastic waste, and also they separated the food waste to make the fertilizer to use in agriculture in this place. We went to the park to pick up waste from the river due to the tidal to flow every day. It also means there are lots of the waste in the river, but this is obvious comparison with the park review, which reminds us to protect the environment again.